In the next section, we want to look at special products. Of course, products, again, is just multiplication. And when we do the special products, here we're specifically looking at multiplying binomials. What are binomials? Say again? Binomials means it's a polynomial that has exactly two terms. And the first thing that we look at whenever we are multiplying binomials is that we look at using the FOIL method. Some of you may remember this. To me, the FOIL method is not as important now as it is in the next chapter. Okay? It's not as important now as it is in the next chapter. So with the FOIL method, this is just an acronym to help us with multiplying. Huh? Never seen it?
I think I have.
Oh, you think you have? It's first, outer, whoops. Ugh.
That's what you're meant to do.
Yeah. First, outer, inner, last. This is just a way to help us remember how to multiply things. But you know what? You already know how to multiply, so it's not that big of a deal. So if I have this, x plus 5 times 3x plus 4. When I talk about multiplying the first terms, I'm talking about multiplying the first terms in each of these binomials. So it would be this guy right here. This is your f. So that means you have 3x squared for your first terms. The O stands for outer terms. Those are the terms that are on the outmost side of this product right here. So what's the O for this FOIL method? 4x. And then you move on to the inside pieces. That means the pieces that are on the innermost part of this product right here. What's that product? 15x, and then what's the product for the last terms? Is that anything out of the ordinary from what we were just doing? No, but now we have like this neat little thing to help us remember what to do. So we just combine like terms, 3x squared plus 19x plus 20. Okay, and that's it.
Kind of already doing that before.
Right, you were.
There wasn't anything to it.
So there's really, it's not so special here, but what we're going to see in the next chapter is we're going to be taking this FOIL method, we're going backwards. In the next chapter that's called factoring, we take this polynomial and we figure out what do we multiply to get this. Basically, you're figuring out what was the product of the first terms, what was the product to get this last term here, the 20, but this 19 is a combination of the outside and the inside pieces. That's where our focus is next week. To multiply it? See, people use this box method for factoring, and I don't get it. I'm going to show you things that maybe you haven't seen before to make it really easy. Because the box thing is the same thing as what I'm doing. It's just a different way of looking at it. But you got to trust me. See, if I'm a liar, like if I were to say this is my favorite class, if it's not true, then I'm a liar and you can't trust anything else I say. Now you get me? So yeah, you trust that this is my favorite class. I trust that Mr. Craig tries to maintain no favorites. So, wait, you want me to tell you lies? Tell you sweet little lies?
Tell us what you want to hear.
All right, so this problem's easy. That's what you want to hear. Let's FOIL this. When you multiply the first terms, what do you get?
10x squared.
There you go, 10x squared. What about your outside terms?
Minus 50x.
Is this any different from what we were just doing? No. What about your inside pieces?
Negative 14x.
And what about your last piece?
Plus 70. Plus 70.
Minus plus, make up your mind. Plus 70. Is there more work to be done?
Yeah.
Combine your like terms, so what do we get?
10x squared plus 64x.
How about minus 64x? Yeah, JK on the signs. Plus 70. Do y'all agree?